Hi, Happy Knitters. What day is it, Jordan?
It is day 7.
Day 7 of the what?
The 12 days of Christmas, KAL.
Yes, yes, yes. We are getting them done. Okay, let's tell who is winner for day number 7, shall we?
Sure.
We shall. That is going to be none other than number 15, She That Knits. And that is going to be Christine off of Ravelry. Christine, congratulations. And please get in contact with me via any source you would like. Okay, let me show you what you have won, Christine. You have won, and it is superty duperty duperty soft. Check out this lovely color. It's more of a truer blue than the camera is showing. What is going on with you? This is from Knitology. Excuse me. It is 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca. That's why it's so nice and soft. Soft, I tell you, soft. Anyway, you have won that. I am also going to throw in this tea that came with this subscription. So I hope you are a tea drinker. If not, I'm sure that you know someone that is. With that, you also get the Knit Crate subscription catalog for that particular month, so you can knit or crochet any of the designs in there. You will also get this handy dandy, which is super cute. It's a charm that is a pair of scissors. And last but not least, Jordan, what does Christine also get?
Jeff.
What is Jeff? Jeff is a big, generous sized canvas bag for you to use whichever way you would like. So that concludes day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas KAL giveaway. So we will see you tomorrow for
day 8.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.